Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel Manyata the Explorer. I am your lecturer VP sir. In this session, going to discuss about the following topics are here. Very first one is, what do you mean by dielectric constant? What is the importance of this constant? After that, need to understand superposition principle. It is oftenly called as forces between multiple charges also. And after that, the distribution of charges in a system and their types also. And last one is the definition of electric field strength, electric field intensity, and final one is electric field lines and their properties. So we know very well, in my previous session, we come to know that whenever two charges are placed at a certain distances, what will happen? They interact together. Interaction in the sense what? They are going to exert an electrical force. Hence, that is going to be called as Coulomb's law. With the help of same idea, let us consider there are two charges. Say it is called Q1, say it is called as Q2. As usual, which is placed at a distance of what here? R is there. Assume that these two charges, Q1 and Q2, which are placed in a medium, which are placed in what here? Medium place. Then what will be the force? So therefore, we know very well about electrostatic force. Vector F equals to, because electric force is what? A vector quantity there. There will be a force of attraction repulsion agbodu irrespective of medium. But medium anna illi kottideve andre, so 1 upon 4 phi epsilon. There is no free space here because that free space covered by a medium. Then as usual Q1 Q2 divided by R square here. Say it is called as equation number 1 here. Now what I am doing here, removing the medium. This medium remove maadibidtene. Then we come to know that these two charges which are placed in a free space, there also there will be a acceleration of force takes place. What is that? Vector F equals to 1 upon 4 phi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. Say it is called equation number 2. For sake of our understand, I am using this one as a in medium. Medium. This is what in free space. Okay. If you divide equation 2 by 1, what will happen here? The equation becomes, say it is called Fm, this is called as what? F naught. So therefore, F naught divided by Fm. So what is F naught here? So 1 upon 4 phi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square divided by 1 upon 4 phi epsilon naught, where the two charges which are placed in a medium is there. So therefore, Q1, sorry, epsilon here, Q1 Q2 divided by what here? R square here. Then equation very simple one. This 4 phi get cancelled, this Q get cancelled, this get cancelled. Then equation becomes F naught upon Fm, in the sense what? The force of two charges in a free space with respect to force of two charges present in the medium, then becomes what? Epsilon upon epsilon naught agutte. Epsilon is nothing but a permittivity. It is also called as what? Absolute permittivity of a medium, where epsilon naught meant for what? Permittivity for free spaces, which is equals to what here? Epsilon r, where epsilon r is called as relative permeability or relative permittivity. Relative permittivity. What is that relative permittivity? Between the two charges, if you apply any medium, ಯಾವುದರ medium apply ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ relative to that medium with respect to what origin medium ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, that is what epsilon r is called as relative permittivity. It is also called as ಏನು ಬರೀತಾರೆ, k ಅಂತ ಬರೀತಾರೆ. So therefore this equation can be rearranged as epsilon naught r equals to what, epsilon into epsilon r ಬರಿಬೋದು, or you can say that k into epsilon ಬರಿಬೋದು. So therefore the equation 2 can be rearranged as ಏನು ಬರಿಬೋದು ಅಂದರೆ, so equation 2 becomes when these two charges are placed in a free spaces replaced by epsilon naught value, here we will get vector f equals to 1 upon 4 phi as usual. Epsilon naught meant for what here, epsilon into epsilon naught r ade alva. So therefore epsilon naught r ide, sorry r ide, q1 q2 divided by r square. It is also called represented by k kuda baribodu. By this way we can represent the constant, what you call as a dielectric constant also. So therefore dielectric constant can be defined as, ಏನು define ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು with the help of this equation, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದರೆ, it is the ratio of absolute permittivity of a medium to the absolute permittivity of two charges placed in a free spaces, where it is going to be called as what, a dielectric medium. It is simply called as relative permittivity, or it is simply called as a dielectric constant also. It is simply depends on nature of material. It do not remains constant for throughout all the materials. So hagagi it depends on what, nature of material ide. So therefore which is the definition and explanation for a dielectric constant here. And after that we move on very important concept of this chapter, that is called as forces between multiple charges. What actually meant for forces between multiple charges? Let me know here. ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, principle of superposition. It is simply called as forces between multiple charges. ಯಾಕೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? What is the reason behind that? So we come across wherever the two charges are placed in the system. ಒಂದೊಳ್ಳೆ ಎರಡು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದೇ ಆದರೆ there will be a interaction takes place between what, these two charges ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ there will be a followed by Coulomb's law ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ wherever two charges are placed in a free space or in the